Look at those flaky layers. Here is exactly how to make this puff pastry from scratch. Start by mixing your dough ingredients until smooth. Roll it out into a clean rectangle on a well-floured surface. Now for the secret to the crunch, lamination. Place your chilled butter in the center. Fold the dough over it like an envelope, sealing the edges tightly so no butter escapes. Repeating this folding process creates hundreds of microscopic layers of butter and dough. Now click the full video on your screen to see the full baking process of Jamaican Chicken Patties recipe.